Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5 alternatives to tomato sauce for your pizza. All the pesto you can think of. When you think of pesto, you likely think first of basil pesto, and may even be surprised to learn there are other types of pesto. Olive tapenade. Tapenade originated in France and is made of finely chopped olives, capers, and anchovies. Roasted pepper spread. Barbecue sauce. Ivu.
Take our lead.
If you don't have it, substitute 1 tablespoon tomato paste with 2 to 3 tablespoons tomato puree or tomato sauce. Reduce liquid in recipe by 2 to 3 tablespoons, or boil tomato puree or sauce until reduced to 1 tablespoon.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Ketchup. This is my least favorite of the substitutions, but it works in a pinch. It's not quite as thick as tomato paste, but it's much thicker than sauce or fresh tomatoes. How much to use? Use 1 tablespoon of ketchup for every tablespoon of tomato paste.
Take our lead.
That's because, while a pizza sauce has a higher concentration of tomato paste, a pasta sauce will often instead turn tomato paste into a tomato puree by combining it with water. A pizza sauce has a greater thickness to it thanks to the use of undiluted tomato paste.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Add cornstarch. Unlike a roux that people often make and add to sauces, you don't need to combine cornstarch with anything. Just add a tiny amount of cornstarch to your sauce and allow it to simmer for a minute or so until it thickens. Avoid adding too much cornstarch as you can ruin your sauce texture.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.